Hi there, Ashley from Nomisma here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create and then enable payroll on one of your bookkeeping clients in Nomisma. So to create a client, you'll go up to the plus button and select new client. And then when you're in the new client, you can select limited company, sole trader, partnership, any of these except from self-assessment. But if we go in, add a sole trader, and then select manually, I can call it my name. And then I believe that's 10 characters. So let's try that and click save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Save. There you go. So it's created Ashwell as a sole trader. I do actually have Ashwell as a limited company as well. That is going to get confusing. But if I now go into the bookkeeping profile for this sole trader, on the left menu, you'll see that I've got payroll. So right now in this account, if I go back to the client screen and select dashboard, you'll see that I've got one payroll company enabled. And if I drill down into that, it's Burn Construction Co. So now if I go into this payroll, select payroll on the left menu. And then in the top right-hand corner, you can select edit company. I would need to select that. And you have the company status here. Here you can select the tick box, make it active, and then I may need to add some additional fields here, but let's click save. Okay, yeah, enter POE reference number, so I can put it in, and then click save. And office reference number, save. There you go. So company record is updated successfully. That's fantastic. Now, when I go back to the agent screens and go back to the dashboard, I will have the option of RTI sole trader there. Now, when I drill down into that one, it will show me Ashwell. And when I click Ashwell, it will take me to the payroll profile. So that is how you can create a client within Nomisma and then enable payroll onto it. The process is you go into the client, go to the bookkeeping profile, select payroll on the left menu, and then make it active. And from that point onwards, you can then begin running payroll. I hope this helps. If you have any questions for us, feel free to get in touch on 020-3021-2326 or email support on support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you. Bye.